Fast acting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how are you? If you're not, hey family, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be doing a spring inspired makeup look. It's gonna be real simple, real easy. If that's something that interests you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so I already did my brows off camera to kind of make this process a little bit more easier, all right? So we're gonna be using two palettes today. We're gonna use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So that's what that looks like. And we're gonna use the OG Jackie Aina palette, okay? So to start off, we are going to use Dusty Rose all over our lid. Just find a cute little fluffy brush for a Dusty Rose. And we're gonna put that all over our lid. This is the Soft Glam palette here.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, your mind.
Okay, so we're gonna use another fluffy brush and we're going to use Sienna, and we're only gonna do it in our crease.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Now, if you lose some of Dusty Rose, bring that girl back, okay? Because she is dusty for real, but she's a little pretty pink color. Okay, so we're gonna go into Miss Jackie. Oh, I really hope that she brings that back, but I don't think she is. So we're gonna use a flat brush and we are going to put Lituation all over our lid. Now let's use our fingers. It's just better color payoff. Okay, going right back into the Soft Glam palette, we are going to use Rose Pink just in the middle of our lid. Use a different finger and just blend that in so it's just kind of seamless, so you don't have like a line of demarcation in the middle of your lid.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Going to use Supreme in our bottom lash line. Okay, and then we're gonna use Trust Issues for the inner corner, just to add a little pizzazz. I'm gonna put on my lashes, then we'll come back to the face. Eyes are done. These lashes are from Amazon. If I find them, I'm going to link them down below. So let's get started with our face. Okay. First, I am going to color correct my stash, okay? So we're gonna use the Huda Beauty's Full Filter Concealer in the color Maple Syrup. So just going to put that all over here, honestly, where I have some discoloration, and go from there and blend that out. Okay. Now for foundation, we're going to use the Lancome Teint Idole in the color 515W. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so lightweight. It blends absolutely beautifully. And like, surprisingly, for a drugstore, for a high-end foundation, color range is not that bad, but it could always be better. Let's keep it a buck. But look at how gorgeous that looks on my skin. Gotta be careful. I'm like spraying it everywhere. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this. absolutely love this, and it's perfect for the springtime because like it's not super heavy. It's very, very lightweight, and you get the coverage that you want. Because look how beautifully it covered everything. Like, look at my face. Anyways, moving on. We're gonna use the Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealer in the color Ganache to kind of just conceal these bags, y'all. Y'all know I got kids, and they're the reason for these bags, honey. Ooh, I got some more foundation on my arm. Let me use that on my stash. Okay, now to brighten that face, because I'm looking real dead, we're gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the hydrating concealer in the color Deep Caramel. As you can see, like I need another one already because I use this so much. Now we're gonna use like one dot because this has beautiful coverage, okay? So you don't need to be doing too much. And obviously I'm not like one of those girlies that like let their concealer dry down for a bit. I don't see, maybe it's me, I don't see the difference. Maybe like it spreads better, like has better coverage, but I feel like if you have like a good concealer, a very like high quality concealer, you won't need to do that to kind of have more coverage. But that's just me. Okay, and you use the excess of it to put on the other places where you highlight. I'm not a huge like brightening girl, so only like my under eyes. So I use like the excess that I have on the other spots of where you would normally highlight. Moving on to setting. I'm going to use my all-time favorite. It's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Mocha. I love this stuff. It's just, it instantly mattifies. Now it's the springtime, so you know, it's some places it's super hot, other places it might not be that hot. So this is like perfect. It's a perfect combination because it's not super, super matte. It does enough, you know what I mean? It just does what it needs to do. It gives. For a bronzing, we're gonna go into Morphe. I know, please don't come for me in the comments. We're gonna use their face palette in Deep Glam 8D. We're gonna use their bronzer color to bronze to get this face together, honey. Just because it's springtime doesn't mean that you can't bronze. I know this is a full spring face, okay? If you're one of those girlies that like a full spring face, this makeup tutorial is for you, okay? And sometimes there are gonna be moments where you're going to need a full spring face, and that's okay, you know? Nobody's judging you, sweetheart. Nobody's judging you. Don't forget your nose, okay? Add some depth into it. Okay, perfect. In that same palette, we're going to use their blush. We're going to use this one. This is a beautiful, beautiful spring color. I love this. It's nice and bright. Do the apples of your cheeks, girl. Do the apples of your cheeks. Not too much so you don't look like a clown. Nice and subtle because your eye look is very, very out there, okay? You see that line of demarcation? If it's still there, use the brush that you use for your setting powder to blend that seamlessly. Use, if I can find it, Lord. Okay. We're going to use Dose of Colors, a liquid matte with Naima Tang in the color Like to See It. Okay, we're gonna use this as a lip liner. So now if you don't have like a pencil, liquid lipsticks are really good.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Okay, boom. And for the middle of it, we're gonna use the same same brand, Dose of Colors, with the 9x10 collab in the color Penny. It's a beautiful nude color. You don't want to be doing the most because of your eyes. Now, if you lose some of the liquid lipstick, just go right back. And then to set all of this, use your NYX Matte Finish. You let that dry, girl. Fast acting. And there you have it, the finished makeup look. But yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.